Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Karina and I'm Swatch Queen. For today's video, I'm going to use the new Huda Beauty Bomb Brows Microshade Brow Pencil. I got two colors. I have the black brown and the soft black. These are the two darkest shades. They released 8 shades, which is amazing. Ultra fine retractable tip to deliver soft hair-like strokes. Smudge proof, waterproof, transfer proof, and long wearing, 24 hours, they claim it. And the key features are there is vitamin E, castor oil, and coconut oil, which they said that nourish the hair. 0.9 millimeter tip, that is really small. How did they do that? Vegan friendly formula. Due to ultra fine tip and level of pigmentation, only light pressure is required to create your look. First, I'm going to use Wishful Thirst Trap Juice. I've been really liking this Thirst Trap Juice, and you guys already know it's very hydrating. I enjoy it very much, and it has that grip. Next, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Luminous Matte, the new foundation that they released, and this one is in Latte. The last time I ordered a Moretti, and that was really bad. So hopefully this one is gonna work for me. I haven't tried it. Okay, it looks like it's a match. Wow, okay, I'm happy about it. Yay, we got a match. So that's one pump. I'm going to add another pump. It looks like it's so much better than a Moretti. Next, we're going to the brows. Okay, the shape is diamond again, like the mascara and the eyeliner that they released. The mascara, the eyeliner, and the brows. Whoa, it's really thin. Wow, you guys see that? When you use something this thin, of course, you don't want long. You want it like as short as you can so it doesn't break. Let's see the color. Soft black. Wow, that is very thin. Soft black. And this one is black brown. Soft black, and this is black brown. I'm going to use soft black. First, I'm gonna brush my hair, my eyebrows up. Start drawing little strokes, like short strokes. Okay, so it says like light strokes, light pressure. Okay, so that's the difference. It's actually pretty good. Okay, let's see if it's smudge proof. It's not smudge proof. All right, I'm gonna keep going with my face. Next, I'm going to use the YSL All Hour Foundation Stick. This one is in B70 Mocha. I blend it towards my hairline. Like so. And then I'm gonna blend this upwards. Next is Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer. This one is in Toasted Almond. I love this concealer. It's very pigmented. If you want a full coverage concealer, this is the most full coverage concealer you'll ever find. And the colors are amazing too. I'm also gonna put it on my chin, around my mouth. I'm gonna put it a little bit here. For my powder, I'm going to use the Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder in Banana Bread. This one is the Beauty Blender Puff. For my bronzer, I'm going to use this Laura Mercier Candle Glow Sheer Perfecting Powder. This one is in number 6. I think it is a very beautiful powder and I like it for my bronzer. I'm using the Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH05. I love this brush. Patchy area here and here where I put the YSL. I don't know what happened, but this never happens. It might be the combination of the Huda Beauty foundation and the YSL foundation stick, which didn't match. Like there's a patchy area right here. The other side is good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Powder. This is the Magic Makeup. I don't think it's magic if you are very familiar with the liquid version. It's not very surprising. I think the liquid is better still. Okay, next is blush. I don't know which blush I'm gonna use. For my blush, I'm going to use ColourPop Palatial. This blush right here. It's so pretty. It is in the peachy pink muted side. It is pressed very hard. Once the first layer is gone, it's easier to get the product from the pan. For my highlighter, I'm going to use the Jaclyn Hill Carrots. Oh my gosh, this one is coming back. She's coming back with a new packaging, which is a better packaging, so I'm pissed. No, I'm kidding. These are my favorite highlighters from Jaclyn Hill. No, they're beautiful. Subtle and beautiful, like look at that. I think that's too much highlighter. For my palette, I really want to use this Mercury Retrograde from Huda Beauty. I just want to create a very simple look. I'm not gonna complicate it. I actually just want to put some glitters. I've used it a lot, but I haven't used it as much as I wanted to. It's so pretty. First shade, I want to use something warm, so I'm gonna go get this shade, Karma. I have concealer on my lid, so I'm going to adhere. I'm going to put this shade all over my lids. And then I'm going to blow it up and blend the edges. Okay, it's so pretty. I am very happy with that. I hate this. I'm so thrown off. It's just a patchiness here. I said I'm not gonna do anything complicated, but I'm going to use this shade, Nebula. This is the glitters, and I'm going to create a wing liner with it. I'm not sure if it's gonna work. I haven't tried it, but we'll see. So pretty. I'm going to use a glitter glue. This one is from Give Me Glow Cosmetics, Glow Harder. I'm going to put that just right here. Use this as my base for the wing liner. Like so, and then I'm gonna get the shade, pack the glitters, tapping motion. Nothing complicated, like so. Okay, next with Huda Beauty Life Liner, I'm going to use the pencil side and I'm going to waterline the top of my eyes just to define my eyes and make my lashes look fuller. I'm gonna use the liquid liner side and line the inner corner of my eyes, just like here, like so, just connecting it with the glitter. I'm going to marry the eyeliner and the glitters. I'm also gonna put a tiny line right here. This is the Huda Beauty Legit Mascara. I am using the curl and length side. It has two sides. The other side is volume. Next, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze. I'm only gonna do one brow because I haven't done the other brow. I'm going to take photos for that. For my inner corner, I wanted whatever left on the brush with the nebula. I put it in the inner corner of my eyes because it looks so pretty. Look at that. I can't stop. Send help! For my lip liner, I'm going to use Huda Beauty Spice Girl. Alright, next I'm gonna pair this with Power Bullet Matte Lipstick in Board Meeting. And then I'm gonna do an ombre with Anniversary. Alright, so these are the lashes that I choose for today. This one is from Rokel. It's a trio cluster individual lash. This one is in, what did they call this? Star Flares. That's how it looks like. Pretty interesting. I will be back. Alright guys, I'm back and these are the lashes. They're so pretty. They blended so well. They look natural. I added total of 6 lashes. I love these lashes. Okay. So once again, these are from Rokel and they are Star Flares. I think I'm gonna get more of these. Ta-da! I love it. For the new Huda Beauty Bomb Brows, I think that it looks really good, especially with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze. This is not smudge proof and it's not transfer proof. I'll touch it and it will transfer to my finger. This is actually 24 hours because I tried it yesterday and I slept. I woke up and it's still there. For the colors, I am glad that they released 8 shades, which is amazing. $17, that's not bad at all. Brow products are the first thing that I always run out. It is the product that I purchase a lot, so for $17, it's actually not bad. For Huda Beauty releasing a brow product that is $17, that is pretty amazing. I tried to see how much product there is, and this is everything in there, and I think it's just an inch. Pretty good. My brows looks bomb. Just like what they call it. Alright guys, so this is it for the look. I hope you guys love it as much as I do. If you made it this far already, please do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. And also leave a comment down below for some encouragement. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Join the giveaway!
Good job.